guys! In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a snowman. My students love these step-by-step drawings, and so let's get started. You want to start with, I would start with a pencil. You can use a regular number 2 pencil, or you can use a mechanical pencil. Either one is good. An eraser can help you. If you make a mistake, you can erase it. I'm going to be using a Sharpie. You can always use a Sharpie afterwards once you're happy with your drawing. I like using a Sharpie because it gives it nice contrast, you know, the black of the marker with the paper, and of course you need something to draw with. Computer paper is fine, or any kind of sketch pad that you have is also fine. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is we're going to start right here, and we're going to start with a curved line, just like that. Now I'm going to go to the other side, and I'm also going to draw a curved line. This is going to be for the head of the snowman. And if you make a mistake, I tell my students all the time to just keep going, because art is not perfect, we're just practicing. So I just drew a curved line there, and come up here, and you're going to draw another curved line right here. This is where the hat is going to go. Move my paper down a little. Now I'm going to start by adding 2 eyes. These can really be anything. And let's draw a little carrot for the nose, and some curved lines in there. And I like to add some dots for the smile. Something simple. Now let's draw the hat. You want to come up here and draw a curved line going up like that, and then come to the other side and draw another curved line, and an oval. Go ahead and draw another curved line here. And we're just going to add a curved line right here to finish the hat off. I like to add, well, a little decoration or something on the hat. I'm just going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here for the leaf. Add a line there, and do the same thing on the other side. And a line right here. If your lines are a little crooked or they're not perfect, just keep going. See, I made a little mistake here too, but I'm just going to keep going. Now you want to draw a curved line for the scarf. And drawing with pencil helps, because if you make a mistake, you can erase it. But unfortunately with the Sharpie, once you go in, you're just going to have to keep going. And sometimes that's okay. I'm going to draw a curved line here, curved line here. I'm going to draw a curved line here. I'm going to skip to this side. Draw another curved line, curved line, curved line. Now you want to take this line and go all the way down and make a little curve. And do the same thing on this side. Go all the way down, make a little curved line, and add the little fringes down here. Now we can go in and draw a curved line here, a curved line here, and just finish your scarf. You want to go all the way down and add these lines. Easy. Take your time. Now we're going to start to draw the body over here. So I'm going to start by drawing a curved line. You want to go all the way down and around. Cute. And I'm going to draw some buttons here. 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can add another piece of the scarf showing here. I like to just draw another curved line, add a line here, and curved lines. As always, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and take your time. Just gonna make the eye a little bigger. Cute. Now we're gonna draw a stick for the arm. Go ahead and draw a line. And I'm gonna go to the other side and actually I'm gonna finish this first. Now let's make another line here, but I'm gonna extend this one and go all the way up. And then come back down with a straight line. Go back up. Come back down. Go back up. Come back down. So it's kind of like a zigzag line. I tell my students all the time that we use different lines to draw. And so if you really break down the shape and look at it, they're basically all lines. Some are curved, some are zigzagged. And so take your time with those and you can basically draw anything. Now I'm going to move over to this side and I'm going to add another line going up, but I'm going to skip to right here and continue the line down. And then add another line here and then go back down. My zigzag line doesn't have to be exactly like the one on the other side, but it can. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a little bird sitting on the snowman's arm. So we're going to draw a curved line here. We're going to draw a curved line here. Draw some lines for the wings. A circular line right here. Add a little beak. A dot for the eye. And I'm going to draw a little curved triangular shape up here. This is going to be a cardinal bird. And I also want to draw a couple curved lines to show that the bird is sitting on the arm. Now let's go ahead and draw the rest of the snowman. I'm just going to move, there we go. So let's go ahead and draw another curved line all the way down here. And it's going to be a little bit bigger than the top one. And to draw the background. So we're going to draw a curved line, a little wavy line right over here, and go to the other side and draw another wavy line. Now this part doesn't really matter, you can make it however you'd like. I'm going to draw another wavy line here on the bottom, and then go to the right and draw another wavy line. It's looking so cute. Now I need to add something in the background here. I tell my students that when things go back, they get smaller, and you also draw them higher up on the paper. So I'm going to draw a curved line first on this side, and come here and draw another curved line. Now we have our snowman sitting in the snow, and now we're going to add 2 evergreen trees. We're going to go to this side, and we're going to start by drawing a triangular shape for our evergreen tree. So let's draw whatever size you want. This tree is going to be smaller than this one because it's farther in the back. So I'm going to start with the smaller tree. So I'm going to draw a triangular shape, and I kind of made this line a little wavy. Zoom in. And go back in. I'm going to draw a line here. And draw another line right over here. And draw a wavy line at the bottom. That's going to be one section of our evergreen tree, and this is the snow up here. Now we're going to do the same thing. Draw another triangular shape with a wavy line at the bottom. That's the next part of the tree. And we need to add a wavy line for the snow sitting on it. So that's the snow. Draw your triangular shape again, but as you can tell, we're making it bigger as we go down. Okay. And add the snow with another wavy line. Okay. And I'm just going to add the last part using wavy lines right here. Now we're going to go to the other side, and we're going to make our evergreen tree a little bit bigger. So we're going to come up here and draw a triangular shape with a wavy line at the bottom. Come back down, add another triangular shape with a wavy bottom. Add the little wavy line for the snow. Make another wavy line. Add another level for the snow. Just using wavy lines. And now I need to draw another triangular shape that's a little bit bigger, and I'm still adding my wavy lines, and I'm going to add some snow. And we need to draw another level to finish this off. And I like to add the bottom of the tree right there. And if you want, you can add a little wavy line here for the snow. Well, I hope you enjoyed our drawing tutorial today of our snowman in the snow with a cardinal bird and I'm gonna color this back and be right with you guys.